Welcome. In this presentation, we'll explore how to make your online learning experience more connected, social, and engaging. We'll look at how social media can help build a sense of community, how to use it responsibly, and why staying socially present online matters. The case for connection. Online learning can feel isolating without connection. Many students report feeling like they're learning alone. Social media and thoughtful interaction can help create a digital classroom that feels more like a community. When used right, these tools bridge the gap between students and teachers, bringing energy and connection into virtual spaces. What is social presence? Social presence means feeling like a real person in a digital space. It includes showing emotion, being open, and building group identity. Research shows that strong social presence leads to better motivation, participation, and academic success. It's the foundation for feeling like you're truly part of an online learning community. Responsible social media use. Social media is powerful, but with power comes responsibility. It's appropriate for asking questions, sharing resources, or collaborating. It's inappropriate for bullying, oversharing, or using disrespectful language. Follow ethical guidelines, protect privacy, use respectful tone, and treat digital spaces like classroom spaces. Think before you post. Managing distractions and risks. Social media can help you learn, but it can also distract you. Constant notifications and scrolling weaken focus. Studies show too much screen switching hurts attention and memory. That's why it's important to manage your use. Turn off distractions when studying and be intentional about your time online. Live synchronous engagement tools. In live online classes, there are fun ways to stay engaged. Spiderweb discussions help you lead conversations. Think, write, share breaks the ice using visuals and writing. Using emojis and chat lets you ask questions quickly and interact with classmates. These tools turn Zoom or Meet into vibrant learning spaces. On your own time, asynchronous tools. Learning doesn't stop after the call ends. Online forums, digital gallery walks, and shared documents let you brainstorm, reflect, and give peer feedback. These tools give you time to think and respond thoughtfully. They help you connect even when you're not online at the same time as your classmates. Content and community tips. Share what makes your school community strong. Celebrate successes, spotlight student voices, and share behind-the-scenes life with your class. Join respectful comment threads or create short videos to express learning. Remember, content that is kind, clear, and creative strengthens community. Final takeaways. Stay present. Use social media for good. Connect with others in ways that support your learning and growth. Think critically about how and when you engage online. And remember, your presence matters. You can help shape a vibrant, respectful, and inclusive digital learning community.